Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna do a quick wig install today. So I got this wig from Alipearl hair and I'm quickly going to unbox and show you guys what's inside. I'm so excited because this is the first time I'll be styling a braids wig, and not just braids, knotless boho braids. So in this bag we have a hair bonnet. Love this color. We have a HD wig cap in 2 pieces. We have a melting band. Love it. And an edge brush. This is what the brush looks like. And some nice clips. I'm gonna just bring it out and show you guys. Rose gold. These are the clips they sent. I don't know what these are called, but I'm guessing it's to hold down your wig. I've seen a couple other people install with this. This is like a glue, like you can just tear it out, glue it to your scalp, and then place your wig on top and it stays. So now let's get to the main part of this video. So this is the 18-inch boho knotless braids wear and go wig from Alipearl hair, and this is what it is giving. You can already see how lush and soft this is. This is pure human hair, guys. It's a human hair braids wig. It comes with this band and comes with an even bigger band for more security. And then it comes with pins all around to help keep your hair in place. So there's a pin beneath here. This is the bottom of the wig. And then pins on the side here and on the side here. So you can see it. Now let's get to the lace. The lace is eaten. The lace is so soft and literally comes pre-cut, pre-bleached and pre-plucked. And guys, they added baby hairs. Oh my god. So you can see that the lace is already cut. And this is the baby hairs they put. Look at how neat the patterns are, guys. It is also pre-bleached. So you don't even have to worry about the lace looking white, and it is pre-plucked. The hairline has already been plucked. So in front here we have braids, lovely knotless braids, human hair of course, and then behind we have this coily weave. Okay, let's get right into this install.
Take it away, take it away.
So I'm basically just prepping my hair before I put on my wig. This is just going to be a very quick install. Everything about this wig has already been done. The lace has been cut, the hairline has been plucked, and the knots have been bleached. So all you need to do is just tint the lace to your skin color. I usually like to use my exact shade in the middle and back ends of the lace, and in front I use a darker shade because your forehead is a bit darker than the rest of your face and you don't want the lace looking too light on your forehead. You really want it to melt into your skin. So that's a little trick I do.
You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help.
So this is a 13x6 frontal, and I'm just trying to cut off the excess lace because it is a little bit bigger than my forehead and the cap is small, so I don't even know why the lace is bigger than my forehead, but we're gonna make it work.
Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Next, I go in with my alcohol just to remove any creams or residue on my forehead so it doesn't come in contact with the lace and so that the lace can blend easily. Then I use a lace holding spray to keep it firm on my head. You have to spray this at least 2 times and air dry. I like to use a fan, but if you're using a blow dryer, please use the cool air settings and not the hot air settings so your glue does not turn white or your hairspray does not turn white.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So I just use the melting band to help melt my lace while I go do my makeup. And when I come back, I'm gonna look so good. I'm back and I'm stunning. Okay, so let's take out the melting band and see how good the lace melted into my skin.
Caught up in your love, I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain.
Now this is the full and dry look of this hair. You can see it is very full, 250% density. Love how fluffy, literally was just blowing in the wind. So here I'm cutting out the baby hairs. It was a bit too full for my face. You can see almost on my forehead has already disappeared and I don't want the hair blocking my face. So I'm just gonna lay my edges and put the melting band again over it so it just stays flat.
I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite.
For the last step of this install, I'm going in with my water and conditioner for the curls. We want the curls looking soft and juicy and just giving that baby girl vibes.
Me, something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my.
This is optional, but I also use a foaming mousse to kind of define the curls and keep it in for longer. So this actually could dry out your hair, so you have to use just a little amount. A little amount goes a long way, and you can already see the curls are getting defined, looking very lush and very soft. Oh, this hair, chef's kiss.
You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
And the wig is laid. Look at the lace. Where is actually the lace? I can't see the lace. It is so sleek. Oh my god, I'm in love. So for more details about this hair, please check my description box. This hair comes in various lengths. All information you need is in the description box. If you have any questions, please drop your comments, drop your questions, let me know and let's get chatting. If you've watched this video up to this point, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends, share with your babes, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me.